In this picture, there are 7 differences between the picture on the left and the picture on the right. Can you see the differences? Can you find the differences between the picture on the left and the picture on the right? Let's take a look. In the picture on the left, there are 3 birds in the tree. There is a blue bird, a pink bird, and a yellow bird. In the picture on the right, there are also 3 birds. So that is the same number of birds. Let's take a further look. In the picture on the right, there is a blue bird, a pink bird, and another pink bird. So that is one difference. There is a yellow bird in the picture on the left, but 2 pink birds in the picture on the right. In the picture on the left, there is a little girl walking her dog. The little girl in the picture on the left is wearing a yellow shirt. The little girl in the picture on the right is wearing a red shirt. So that is another difference. The 2 shirts are different colors. In the picture on the left, the dog is walking. In the picture on the right, the dog is sitting. So that is the 3rd difference. In the picture on the left, there is a volleyball court. This is a volleyball net, and this is the sand. So this is a sand volleyball court. In the picture on the right, there is also a sand volleyball court. In the picture on the left, the ball is in the front of the net. In the picture on the right, the ball is behind the net. It's further back. So that is another difference. In the picture on the left, this little boy has a blue bicycle. He has a blue bike. In the picture on the right, the little boy has a red bicycle. His bike is red. So the bikes in the picture are 2 different colors. In the picture on the left, there is a bench, a park bench, right behind the little boy. In the picture on the right, the bench is next to the little boy. So the bench is in a different spot in this picture. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 differences. There should be 7 differences. Can you see the last one? This one is the most obvious. In the picture on the left, there is a big rainbow. In the picture on the right, there is no rainbow. So that is the last difference. That is the 7th difference between these 2 pictures.